Welcome to a new understanding of your body's strength. For years, we've been told our bones are like a skyscraper, static beams stacked on top of each other. But modern science reveals a more beautiful truth: you are a living, breathing architecture of tension and flow. Today, we're going to explore the architecture of strength, a unified look at how your bones, your fascia, and your daily habits work together to build a body that doesn't just last, but thrives. Instead of a skyscraper, think of your body as a biotensegradient structure, like a high-tech camping tent or a suspension bridge. Your bones don't actually grind against each other, they are suspended within a 3D web of fascia and muscle. When this web is balanced, forces are distributed evenly. If one part is too tight or too weak, the whole system feels the stress. To stay strong, we must care for both the hard mineral frame of our bones and the flexible collagen web that holds it all together. Your skeleton is not a finished product, it's a construction site that never sleeps. Your body is constantly breaking down old bone and building new matrix in response to the signals you give it. While some worry about dietary acidity, the real keys to bone health are stable blood sugar, hormonal balance, and, most importantly, physical loading. Think of nutrition as the raw materials on a job site, and movement as the foreman giving the instructions to build. Most people think bone health is just about calcium, but calcium alone is like a pile of bricks without a mason. To get that calcium into your bones, you need vitamin K2, which acts like a traffic controller, directing minerals into the bone matrix and keeping them out of your heart and arteries. You also need magnesium to activate vitamin D. By eating foods like natto, sardines, and pumpkin seeds, you ensure these minerals work in harmony rather than in isolation. Enveloping your bones and muscles is the fascia, the fluid web. This tissue is thixotropic, meaning it becomes thick and sticky like honey when you stay still, but turns into a slippery, hydrating fluid when you move. To keep this web elastic, your body requires specific amino acids like glycine, found in collagen-rich foods like bone broth or beef tendon, paired with vitamin C. This combination ensures your internal wetsuit stays supple and resilient as you age. How do your cells know to grow stronger? Through a process called mechanotransduction. When you lift a weight or walk up a hill, your bone cells feel the strain and trigger the building process. But remember, bone responds to the amount of force, like resistance training, while fascia responds to the direction of force. This is why multi-planar movement, twisting, reaching, and side-to-side motion, is just as important as walking in a straight line. To build strength, we must also remove what breaks it down. High sugar intake leads to glycation, which literally caramelizes your collagen, making it brittle and prone to injury. Chronic sitting causes your fascia to stiffen and glue together. Perhaps most importantly, bone remodeling happens while you sleep. Without deep, restorative rest, the hormonal signals required to repair your frame are cut short. Protecting your structure means protecting your lifestyle. So, how do we put this into practice? Start your morning with hydration and vitamin C to prime your collagen synthesis. At midday, focus on mineral-rich foods like leafy greens and seeds. In the afternoon, give your body a build signal with just 10 minutes of resistance or impact exercise. End your day with collagen-supporting proteins and gentle, multi-planar stretching. This isn't a workout, it's a daily ritual for structural integrity. In summary, lifelong vitality is built on 4 pillars. First, the material: provide the minerals and amino acids your body needs. Second, the signal: give your bones a reason to be strong through movement. Third, the timing: honor your body's internal clock and sleep deeply. And fourth, recovery, keep your tissues hydrated through varied motion. When these four pillars align, your body doesn't just age, it adapts. The secret to a body that lasts is not a single pill or a single exercise, it is integration. By feeding the matrix, signaling the cells, and honoring the rhythm of your biology, you build an unbreakable architecture of strength. Thank you for taking this journey into the science of your own resilience. For those interested in the underlying research, our key scientific references are listed here. Start today, and build the frame that will carry you through your best years. References.